So guys, over here with a short video. If you have been using zkSync Lite or zkSync Era, there is a small airdrop that you may be eligible for. It's from zkApe. So here, first of all, we need to connect the wallet, and also make sure that your wallet is set to zkSync Era Mainnet, because the website itself does not suggest you to change the network. And if you're trying to connect your MetaMask with the wrong chain, this basically nothing happens. So first you need to select the right chain, and then you can properly connect your wallet. Select zkSync Era Mainnet. Oops, misclick, connect. Now wallet is connected, and it will show you if you are eligible and for how much token. As you can see on the right, there are qualifying actions. You can click and check all the actions that potentially add the amount of tokens. As you can see, zkSync Lite user, zkSync Era user. And then we can claim. You'll have to pay the gas, and obviously it depends on the current gas in the network. If you want, you can wait for the lower gray, although it's possible you're not gonna get much lower than there is currently. I'll try. Okay, where do we swap this? It says easy swap. I think you can also swap it on sync swap. Let's see the exchange rate on both. I'll import the token. I have the contract address. It is ZAT. Now let's see. ZAT to USDC. 20 bucks. Not bad. I mean, minus gas, obviously, but still. Now let's see sync swap. Scroll testnet. What? Make sure here you're on Era Mainnet. ZAT to USDC. Slightly better exchange rate on sync swap. So this is 21.38, and on easy swap this is 20.75. So I'm gonna swap here, and I'll do USDC. Yeah, how much is gas here? I'll check how much I paid in gas in total, because it's in zkSync. The problem is, like, you see the estimation, but then the refund happens, and until you check it in your wallet, you actually don't know how much gas you paid. Okay. Now the game begins. Find the correct minimum of gas that you can pay. I'll just try this amount. If it fails, seems like succeeded. Okay. So here I paid 40 cents. On claim I paid 29 cents only. So the refund was humongous there, it seems like. And then on swap I paid 68 cents. So how much in total? Like roughly 1.4 bucks for, for claiming that. So basically it's plus 20 bucks right there from this airdrop. And also 3 transactions on chain, which is also not bad. In general, guys, when you're claiming like from the unknown site, these mini airdrops, always be sure to check that you're not signing any questionable transactions. Here, for example, it didn't ask us to sign any contract or especially approved tokens, so that's pretty safe. Also be sure to join the zkApe Discord, as they are in zkSync ecosystem. That's all I wanted to cover here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.